Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, as promised, I'm going to continue making some candle vases using window cling or window film on the website, or if you shop for this type of item in your store, it's called a privacy film. These are basically designed so no one can see inside your home or through your windows. It kind of disperses your image and you really can't see what's going on. I don't use it for that. I love to use it to help create interesting and unique looking decor pieces. So I'm going to be using this first one that you saw, and the second one I wanted to show you this. I purchased this online. The backing is already separating from it, so I don't know what's going on with this, but hopefully it'll make my job easier and I won't have to try to pry the backing away. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this, and I just wanted to show you this beautiful, very simple looking pattern that's here with the little iridescence going on. This is really beautiful and it's subtle, and I'm going to use that on two vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, just to keep that look simple and not too overly done. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to be using my clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to be using my silicone brush today to help spread the glue. But I wanted you to see this unique design on this window cling or this privacy film. This is absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to use a glass vase this time. And this is going to be really easy. So what I'm doing here is just sort of measuring out the amount I need to cover this vase. So when I do a lot of cutting here today, I won't be measuring with a ruler or tape measure. I'm going to be sort of like eyeing my parameters. I'm pretty good at that, and so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to, I'm going to eyeball it and just cut from just what I see. So I'm just checking for the fit, and I'm just checking to make sure that I'm putting the smooth part of my window cling against the vase. And as you can see, guys, I did that cutting, was really good, almost precise. There's going to be a little bit hanging over the top edge, but that's okay. It's just going to be a little bit, and not purposely trying to waste a lot of my product. So right now I am going to use my clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to apply it to the vase. I'm going to use my silicone brush to spread the glue. If you need to lift off your window cling after you put it on before you complete your project, you can do that. It'll lift off very easy because the glue is not dry yet. What I'm going to do is use a squeegee that I made. I bought the squeegee. It was plastic, a blue plastic, and I put the black felt, and I just put that on there just to create a softer edge when I use it for my projects. But I'm going to use that to help push the rest of that glue around and to make sure that the privacy film is adhering to the vase. So the window cling is adhering really nicely to the vase. Dry time depends on where you live, how warm or cool your home is. So I always say now, just let it completely dry. Okay guys, so here we are with this window cling. It's already, the backing is already coming away from the rest of the cling. So what I'm going to do here, and I don't know why it's doing that, but I definitely don't need the tape to help me remove it. Again, I'm going to just kind of eyeball the amount that I need. I'm going to be covering 2 vases today. So this is the 9-inch cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up the 7-inch cylinder vase as well. So I'm going to be working on the 9-inch, and I'm going to again eyeball the amount of product that I need, and I'm just simply going to lay out the vase onto the window cling, and I'm going to cut what I need. Okay guys, so it's been 6 hours and the projects are dry. So my next step is to use my scissors and cut away any excess that's hanging over the top and bottom edges of all the vases. All right, so I think to take it up a notch, just a notch, I'm going to add this clear rhinestone crystal brooch. I picked these up from a company years ago. I can't remember the name of the company, but anyway, I'm going to link something similar below. Okay guys, so this is the project. I absolutely love the way all three look. The two vases from the Dollar Tree, I mean, who would even think that this was a vase from the Dollar Tree? A candle holder from the Dollar Tree, who would even suspect? In my last video, I used fairy lights. So today I'm going to be just placing a simple ivory colored candle inside, just to help give it that beautiful glow. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.